Seattle, Washington. Let's go.
Sheena with 3.
Canada's currently in the lead with wins. Ooh.
That hair.
Just too sick. Oh man, she's coming for you. She wants that spot.
Just too sick. Seattle, Washington.
Remember, you gotta sit down, crowd. You gotta sit down. If you're in the
9,
front.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
We got Sheena.
Females rocking the floor. Way in the back, the beer garden, make some noise. I see you. Canada swag right there. Oh, oh.
Woo! 10, 9, 5, 4, 3.
All right, is it gonna be enough? Is she gonna stay at the top or is she gonna go back down to the bottom? Let's see. Judges. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Sheena staying at the
Stays
top.
at the top.